want to make money creating movie recaps, right? Well, it's totally possible. Take a look at this YouTube channel here known as Movie Lit. Now take a look at their channel. All they do is simply basically post movie recaps. And according to Social Blade, this website makes up to $7,000 every single month just by creating movie recaps. Now this basically means that what you can also make up to this amount of money creating movie recaps. And the best part is that what you actually don't need to stress yourself like you normally do when it comes to creating movie recaps. All you need to do now is simply get a movie you want to make the recap of, basically upload this movie to the tool I'm going to review to you, and this tool will automatically give you a fully made movie recap with voiceover, captions, and every single thing. All you need to do is simply just download what that tool made for you, upload on YouTube, and get monetized. As simple as that. So the website you are going to be using is known as Viralcade. Now Viralcade is one of the most easiest websites to actually make your movie recap. So in order to make a movie recap, all you need to do is simply head over to Viralcade and then come over to where it says new movie. Now once you come over here, you click over on here and then upload your movie, and then click over here and then add your subtitles, and to actually start generating for you. So before you can actually get started on this website, you actually need the movie you want to make a recap of. So in order to get a movie recap, in case you don't know where you can actually get movie recaps, just join my Telegram community. I'm going to give you advice on how you can actually get movies to actually make your recaps on. So do have to join my Telegram community. The link is available in the video description. And if you're interested in following this step by step with me, then also make sure to click on the link that is available in the video description to sign up to Viralcade, and so that we can actually flow together, so you get to understand every single thing as we go. So now getting back on my laptop, all you need to do is simply click here to upload your movie, and you can upload up to 5 gigabytes of movie. So just click here where it says browse files, and then come over to where you have your movie. Now for this particular one, I want to review this movie here, so just click here to actually upload the movie. So now you can see that what I'm done uploading my movie that you can actually see here. So the next thing is simply you need to add the subtitles as well. So in order to actually add the subtitles, you have to come over to this website here. In case you don't have your movie subtitles, come over to this website known as Happy Scribe, and then upload your video here and to actually generate the subtitles for you. Or you can actually use this other website here known as Clipchamp to also make subtitles as well. So guys, for some reasons, this website here, which is Clipchamp, couldn't generate a transcript for reasons I personally don't know. So I ended up using this particular website you are seeing here, which is known as turboscribe.ai. It was free for me to actually generate the script, so the transcript, which is the subtitles. So now that I have the subtitle, I'll just click on where it says browse files, and then I'm just going to bring it in. I actually saved it in my drive, so let me just bring it in. So now it's loading up. Now you can see this time around I will actually use the actual subtitle. You can see that there's no single notice on the screen. So from here, the next thing is simply we'll select the engine. Now they have two engines. They say this engine is a classic engine, which is a V9, and it can give you up to 18 minutes of video. Now over here we'll have the V14 engine, which is the one they personally recommend and can give you up to 30 minutes of video. So you pick which one that you actually prefer. So now you can come over here to customize. So they say editing style. You can pick the style here. Now the more you go for, the higher coins that will actually be required as well, if I'm not mistaken. Now over here you can go for the hardcore, which can take up to 30 minutes, or medium can take about 20 minutes. So I'll stick with medium for this particular video. And then over here, target length. So you can actually pick the length that you actually target for your video. So I will say 21 minutes. They say quality rigs over 20 minutes can repeat clips and look less original. Raise the editing style to go longer, safety. So in case you want to go for longer videos, then make sure you go for hardcore. But for me, I'll just stick with medium, and then I'll stick with about 60 minutes of video length. So now once I have this, next up you come over here to narrator voice. So from here you can actually pick the voice that you actually want. You can go for the relaxed voice or normal default voice, and then come over here to pick the voice that you personally want. So just stick with any of the voice, and you can play it to hear how the voices sound. Okay, so I just play this voice right now. It's kind of okay. And over here you have the on-screen subtitles. So you can decide to put subtitles on your screen, or just come over. So let's just on it and see how the subtitles actually appear. And then you can also click here to make short. Now I don't know when you are watching this video right now, but by the time you might be watching this, the short option might be available then, so you can also automatically create shorts from your long videos. So, and here as you can see that they say to take my output is 1080p, which is also great. I have 4,620 coins, and this video alone is going to take about 1,920 credit. So let me just go with this. So let me click on where it says render now. So now let's see what actually comes up. So now once you click on it, it will show working. So you just have to wait. Now you can see starting your render. So from here, it's going to analyze the video, do a composite of the recap, and then direct the narration, edit the code, because it's going to do the editing, design your thumbnail, and then final output will be out as well. And you can see it can take up to 19 minutes to 35 minutes for this to actually be ready. So you just have to do it like this, and then leave it for that period. And in case your credit gets finished, maybe you exhaust your credit or something, you can always come over here where it says credits. So you can click here where it says credits, and then click on get more. So you can see with this plan here, they are saying that what you can actually get, take a look here, there's a 75 recap per month. For this particular one, you can get up to 75 videos per month, which is actually great. And if you want to confirm the prices, now monthly basis, I say this one is actually going to cost you $399 for the first month, and you're paying $399 to get 75 videos, which is 100% worth it. But if you go over to the yearly plan, then you're going to pay even way less. You see, for the yearly plan, you pay $4,900 only. But if you come over to the monthly, on the first month, you are going to pay $399. But from there, you'll be paying $499 every single month onwards from there. So I would say the yearly plan is better. You pay the yearly plan, which costs $4,000. Let me just say $5,000. And every month, you can actually produce up to 75 recaps, which will actually help your channel really grow faster. And the credit doesn't waste or anything, so it's only based on your. Okay guys, whilst the video is rendering, let me show you the other secrets that you can actually do on this website to actually help grow your YouTube channel very faster. And that is simply come over to their website, which is known as Viralcade, and then come over to where it says research. Now once you come over to research, now you can see here is a viral recap opportunity. Over here they are showing you movies that are currently trending and gaining a lot of attention. So take a look at here right now. If you should click on trending right now, you are going to see bunch of movies that are currently trending, and you can click on load more, and these are short form that you can actually create. Like for example, if you want to make a recap from any of these, just click on where it says view and recap, and click on make this recap, and to immediately use the idea that they've personally analyzed from this movie to make a recap for you in a few seconds. And this one, you can easily get a lot of short videos to post on your channel actively. So maybe you post one long form video in a day and then follow up with 2 short videos. Now with this system, you get to grow your channel really faster, where they can make the short form videos for you whilst you also have your long form videos being generated at a go. So guys, in case you're interested in using this tool, all you need to do is simply click on the link that's available in the video description to actually sign up. It's not really expensive when you consider how much you can actually be making. Now you are paying just 4,000 something in a year, with just $4,900 for their maximum plan. Now they have cheaper plans, but their maximum plan gives you 75 videos in a month. You and I know that you don't need to upload 75 videos in a month. Even if you should be uploading video one every single day, 75 is too much, which means that you can subscribe to their cheaper plans and still get about 15 to 30 videos. So guys, our movie just finished generating, and I bet you will not believe the quality and how great this movie recap actually is. Now let me play it for you to actually watch. Take it.
What happens when a warlord steals a god's power, and the only way to stop him is to destroy the very thing that holds it? Can a group of outcasts break the amulet before everything they love is gone? The answer lies in a battle that will cross realms, test every loyalty, and force each fighter to face what they truly fear.
Imagine what one could do with such...
Careful, sorcerer.
The movie begins with a sorcerer admiring a glowing amulet. It pulses with raw energy, ancient and dangerous. That power does not belong to him. The amulet must be bound to a mortal soul first. Once it imprints on that soul, Raiden's power transfers completely, but stealing a god's power is never simple. The amulet needs a host strong enough to carry divine energy without burning away. Shao Kahn becomes that host.
So now once
He
you watch
accepts
the
the
video and
burden
see that every
willingly.
single thing is on point, the next thing you need to do is simply come over here and click on where it says download recap. Now I can just click here to download the recap. And then let me just name it Mortal Kombat recap. Then let me just save it there and then click on save. Now it's downloading right now. And one great thing that this website actually did, that actually took me by surprise, is the fact that what they actually gives you every single thing that you need. You can see the full SEO setup is here. The title, Mortal Kombat 2 full movie recap and ending explained, action fantasy summary. Then they also give you the video description. They give you the tags and every single thing. Now to even box your head furthermore, they actually give you the images you can use for the thumbnail as well. Take a look. You can just download any of these images and then use it for your thumbnail, as simple as that. And to crown it all up, they also gave you a short version as well that you can actually post on your channel to grow your channel within a very short period of time. And I would say nothing can be greater than this when it comes to actually a tool that actually helps you grow your channel. Not just give you videos, but give you every single thing that you need to grow your channel. And the best part is that what they actually keep these videos in your profile for up to 7 days. So these videos can actually stay here for up to 7 days before they get deleted. So in case you are interested in using this tool, as I already said, just check the link available in this video description, sign up to it and sign up now. One great thing about this is that what you are never going to battle with any copyright issues. There will be zero copyright problems, and I'm telling you this. Why? Because there is 100% unique voiceover and furthermore. Now in case you want to clone and use your own personal voice, this is one thing that you can actually do. You can basically create your own voice on 1111 Labs and then download this video that they just made right now, get the voiceover off it, and then change it to the voiceover that you personally cloned of yourself, and you can use it to make your own full review as well. So guys, this is every single thing you need to know about this website, and you just saw the entire walkthrough right now, and hope to see you in my next